Hey everyone, Eli here from Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing a look at these SL5081 solar spotlights for the yard. There are 4 of them. Taking a look at the inside, we've got the stakes right here. Simple user manual. We've got screws and drywall hooks in case you don't want to use these stakes. You can install it directly into a wall or like a ceiling, for example. And then here are the actual lights themselves. You got 180-degree rotation on the light and on the solar panel. And again, there are 4 of them, nice and protected. Let's go ahead and take a look at how they work. Here is the body of the light again. This will go into the spike, but if you want to put this into the wall, you just put the screws right through here. You've got this full rotation there, and you can loosen it with this to get more degrees of freedom. Tighten it up when you're ready to secure it. The same thing with the light. So I already had that tightened, but as you can see, you can kind of rotate it around. I'm gonna go ahead and take this stake, hammer it into the ground, and then I take the light, push it in, and you're good to go. Taking a look at the back of the light here, you have this power button. Press it once to go on low mode, again to go on the medium, and then again for the high mode, again for off. And this will only go on at nighttime. And this has a 1500 milliamp per hour battery, so it'll last all night long till the morning. Here's a look at that light again. As you can see, it is nighttime and it's shining nice and bright, lighting up the tree right there. So taking a look at the light in the ground, this has 30 LEDs and it reaches very far, so it's great for either lighting up trees, such as these instances, or you can have them for more practical use, such as walkways, things like that. And look here, on this one, I actually put the solar panel facing the direction of the light. That shows how you can rotate this on 180 degrees, and that way the sunlight is directly hitting this, and this light is facing the direction I want it to. Overall, highly recommend these lights. Thanks for watching.